So now let us create the file list. Create the file list and then open it in file browser and create the file list. So we have only one file. So now we will put that file list and press enter. Don't forget to press enter at the last line, otherwise the tool doesn't work properly. So we save this and then we will set up the simulation options. So first we need to compile and elaborate, and then we need to simulate. So what we will do is we will put in the file list in Verilog source file list and the output name as sim.exe. Now for the simulation options, we will put the simulation executable as the simulation executable file and then press save as project settings, so that anyone accessing this project will see these settings. So only one person can set it up and it will work for everyone. So now we will press execute. So see that there are some errors that we see over here. So when there are errors, you will see which command the error has come from. So now we see that this is the command that was run, this is the directory in which it was run, and execution status is failed, and this is the error log. We see that in line number 3 there is a error. So let us go and debug it. We'll go there, look at the Verilog file, see line number 3. So we see that we are given a display without any block. So what we will do is put in an initial block. Shall begin, then end, and save it, and then go back and run the simulation. So every time you don't have to change because this is already saved. Once the setup is done, it can be run multiple times. You just do an execute, then we see that the simulation has run properly. You see the first command has been run, the second command has been run, and this is the output of the second command. So this is how you need to work on your project, by adding more files, adding them to the file list, and running the simulations. We have also provided a note place over here which you can use to interact with your members. So any notes that is put over here will be available to you for further discussion or further action. There is another utility which will be useful after you have run your simulations, and it will be useful for others to also understand the code that you have written. In this, what you can do is you can see the RTL hierarchy. So first what you need to do is tag the proper RTL files. What we will do is, so we have only one RTL file, we will check it. So there are various things that can be used to tag it. First is the RTL files, or you can have simulation include directories or simulation libraries. So you have to tag accordingly. So once you have tagged them, you have to save them, and then you see that your file is available over here. As our dummy file does not have any inputs or outputs, you don't see any inputs or outputs. If it had any inputs and outputs, you would have seen it. So this is all that is there to start off on the project. As you will also add the faculty, we can load this project in our account and see what you are doing and give you feedback on how your code is going on. So once you are done with this, you have to log out, and that will take you to the courses page. If you want to look up anything in the courses page, you can do the same thing. You can refresh your Verilog course and then go back to working on your project by clicking on the down arrow and then again selecting My VLSI Designs.